Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I am going to show you how to install Jupyter Notebook in Windows 11. Let's start with the video. First of all, open your web browser and then type Anaconda. Press enter. Here you can see the official website will be visible. So click on this website. Here is the official website. So to download it, click on free download. So to download it, you need to click on get started. Click on get started. Here you need to sign up to download Anaconda. You can directly sign up with your email or by using your Google account, Microsoft or GitHub. You can select any one of them. So I will select Google. So click on your Google account. Click on continue. So here you can see you have three options to download Anaconda: Windows, Mac and Linux. So I will select Windows and then click on this. So now you can see our download has started. Wait for a few seconds. Once the download has completed, right click on this file and click on open. Minimize it. Now click on next. So this is the license agreement. You can read it from here. Click on I agree. From here you have to select the installation type. So there are two options. One is just me and other one is all user. So I will select all user. Click on next. Here it is asking for installation location. You can choose it by clicking on browser. So by default C drive is selected. So I will keep it same. Click on next. Now here select register Anaconda 3 and then click on install. Now the installation has started. Wait for a few seconds. Here you can see our installation has completed successfully. So click on next. Click on next. So this will launch the Anaconda navigator. So I will uncheck them. Click on finish. Now I will let you know how to open Jupyter Notebook. Click on the start menu and type Anaconda. Here you will see the prompt and navigator. Prompt is a CLI, that is command line interface, and navigator is like a UI. I will click on Anaconda prompt to open Jupyter Notebook so that we can run our first Python program. Now type Jupyter Notebook. Press enter. Jupyter Notebook is a web application that lets you create and share interactive documents. Now click on new and select Python 3 so that I can create my first notebook. Here you can see the notebook name, which is untitled.ipynb. Here ipynb is an extension for Python notebook. So to change the name of the notebook, click on untitled and from here you can change the name, just like I will write demo. Click on rename. So here you can see our notebook name has changed successfully. So now you can write your first program from here, just like I want to print something by using the print method in Python. So type print and here I will write my name. And then click on run. So now you can see my name has printed successfully. You can write anything which you want to print. So guys, in this video we saw how to install Jupyter Notebook in Windows 11. So if you find the video helpful, then don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.